So instead of having to reach all the way over here for my SD card reader, I have a quick access USB section just here. So just before we jump into it, if you like anything you see from the video today, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the show if you'd like to see more. So today's episode is a little bit random, but as I go and create things for this office, I thought I'd just document them and show you some of the thought processes behind things and then obviously how it comes together. So it all starts with getting a design down once you have your question to solve or your problem to solve. And I measured everything up and then began the 3D modeling process. Next up, I knew that for the mount to work, I obviously need a way to secure it. So obviously I get a screw here and just measure up the diameter of it and then get that into the base plate design. After that, I generate the code and it's off to the 3D printers. And look at that, that is the printed product and it came out pretty well, I think. It fits here in place by the looks of it, and just checking that the device along with the USB extension connected fits in, and it does perfectly. And finally, I just want to kind of scale it up and see how it fits in. We'll remove the raft here and basically have a look how we did. Now, as you can see, the design came out pretty much how I intended. And it'll fit perfectly, fit for use, and now it's just a matter of actually putting it into place. And the last step, let's secure it in. Literally right after this, I'll be using that. Take the SD card out of this now that I've filmed it, and then chuck it in and use it, and happy days. And perfect, it fits in nicely, fit for use, looks slimline, and just as a final check, I can open up my drawer, no functional issues there. And that's a wrap. I'll be doing more projects like this in the future. You know, we've done 3D printed masks in the past, one for me and my kids, one for my son, you know, 3D printed knuckle dusters, but aside from that, it will be doing projects, not just 3D printed projects, but PLCs, you know, creating systems, automations, making networks, and doing some cybersecurity exercises, and also some software projects. So if you're interested in any of that, or any of the podcast type content where I go through career stuff, stay tuned.